Did you know that a love story between a king and an American architect helped bring peace to the Middle East? In 1976, King Hussein of Jordan met Lisa Halaby, a Princeton graduate working on his country's airports. He was a powerful ruler of an Arab nation. She was a Protestant woman from Washington. They couldn't have been more different, but as Lisa worked in Jordan, something magical happened. They fell deeply in love, not just with each other, but with the same dream of making the world better. Lisa didn't just fall in love with Hussein, she fell in love with his mission. She learned Arabic, converted to Islam, and became Queen Noor. For 21 years, they worked side by side. She became a champion for peace, education, and helping refugees. When world leaders saw their partnership, they called it a perfect example of East meeting West in harmony. Their story proves something beautiful. When two people share the same values and dreams, differences don't divide them, they become bridges. Love doesn't just heal hearts. Sometimes it helps heal entire nations.